The Condor Outdoor Centurion and Colossus duffel bags are the multi-purpose transport bags that get the job done. These duffels are constructed of heavy-duty nylon throughout and a reinforced textured PVC bottom. Next level durability for when you need it the most. The versatility of these bags allow them to be carried traditionally by the drag handles as a range bag, over your shoulder for the gym, and even as a backpack. The backpack straps can be neatly tucked away depending on what option you choose. Eliminate the hassle and awkward maneuvers when loading and unloading. Evenly transport the duffel with both essential side grab handles. Around the exterior are 4 zipper closure sleeve storage pockets. The Centurion has a 30-liter main compartment. The Colossus has a 52-liter main compartment. These main compartments allow you to take anything you need on the go. The main compartment can expand inward or outward depending on your loadout. Clothing, boots, gear, and anything else you need can be easily stored and divided. Mesh compartments allow you to store the essentials. Their practical size, function, and versatility make them ideal for patrol vehicles and multi-mission kits. The Centurion can be brought in any commercial flight without issue to conveniently fit in the overhead bin above. The Condor Outdoors duffels are exactly what you need to transport any equipment to any place.